Merits of long form of periodic table or advantages of long form of periodic table. The long form of periodic table is based on atomic numbers. All the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers. Different isotopes can be placed at the same place because they have same atomic number. In the periodic table, different isotopes which are placed at the same place because they have same atomic number. The atomic numbers increases by 1, so exact number of missing elements can be predicted by observing the atomic number of two consecutive elements. Missing elements can be predicted easily due to the increasing number by 1 in the periodic table. The long form of periodic table can be explained the recurrence of elements with similar properties. In the periodic table, all the elements recur subsequently, and which is explained due to its similar properties. The long form of periodic table explains the cause of similar properties in the group, while the elements in the periods have different properties. In the group as well as in the period, the elements which are present in the periodic table which having a different properties. The long form of periodic table explains why different periods contain different number of elements. In the periodic table, modern periodic table also, there is a periods, and each period is containing the different elements. Advantages of periodic table. Periodic table systemizes the study of elements. Due to the periodic table, we can study the systematically every elements. It is possible to predict the properties of elements from the location of the element in the periodic table. Due to the location of particular elements, we can predict the properties of that element from its location. Many elements have been discovered with the help of periodic table. Due to the modern periodic table, many elements have been discovered. Characteristics of periods. Some properties of elements shows gradual variation along each period in the periodic table. Some properties of elements along a period are valence electrons, valency, size of atoms, chemical reactivity, nature of oxides, ionization energy, electron affinity. Valence electrons or outermost electron. On moving from left to right in the period, the number of valence electrons in element increases from 1 to 8, except in the first period where it increases from 1 to 2. Here, the number of valence electrons increases from 1 in sodium to 8 in argon. The electronic configuration of elements in a period change in such a way that the number of electrons in the outermost shell of their atoms increases from 1 to 8. For example, in the third period, the electronic configuration changes from 281 in sodium to 288 in argon. Another point is that the element in a period have consecutive atomic numbers. valency. On moving from left to right in each short period, the valency of element increases from 1 to 4 and decreases to 0. In the given example, we can see that in the third period of the periodic table, the valency increases from 1 in sodium to 2 in silicon and then decreases to 0 in argon. Thus, elements in the same periods have different valencies. Size of atoms. On moving from left to right in a period, the size of atoms decreases. In the third row of the periodic table, sodium atom is biggest in the size, whereas chlorine is smallest. As we move from left to right in a period, the atomic number of elements increases, which means that the number of protons and electrons in the atom increases. Due to large positive charges on the nucleus, the electrons are pulled in a more close to the nucleus and the size of atom decreases. However, the size of atom of an inert gas is bigger than preceding halogen atom. This is due to the structural stability of its outermost shell, consisting of an octet of electrons. Chemical reactivity. On moving from left to right in a period, the chemical reactivity of element first decreases and then increases. In the third period, chemical reactivity first goes on decreasing from sodium to silicon and then increases from phosphorus to chlorine. In sodium, there is one valence electrons which it can lose easily to react with other substances, so it is very reactive. But in magnesium, it has two valence electrons, which is not easy to lose, and hence it less reactive than sodium. Aluminium and silicon are still more unreactive. Valence electrons of phosphorus is 5 and it needs 3 more electrons to complete its octet. Sulfur has 6 valence electrons and needs 2 more electrons. Chlorine has 7 valence electrons and need 1 more electron. It is easy for an atom to gain 1 electron than 3 electrons. So chemical reactivity increases from phosphorus to chlorine. Nature of oxides. On moving from left to right in a period, the basic nature of oxide decreases and the acidic nature of oxide increases. In the third period of periodic table, sodium oxide is highly basic in nature and magnesium oxide is comparatively less basic. Oxides of aluminum and silicon are amphoteric in nature. It means they are react with acid as well as base. Substances that can have either acidic or basic properties under certain conditions are called amphoteric. Phosphorus oxide are acidic. Sulfur oxides are more acidic, whereas chlorine oxides are highly acidic in nature. Ionization energy. Ionization energy is minimum energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of free gaseous atom of that element to form positive ion. So, when one electron is removed from the atom, it acquires 1 unit of positive charge and become a positive ion or cation. Ionization energy of elements increases on moving from left to right in the period. The increase in ionization energy in the third period of periodic table is shown on moving from left to right in a period. The size of atoms decreases, due to which the outermost electrons are more and more strongly held by nucleus. Therefore, more energy is required to remove an electron from an atom. As we go from left to right in a period of periodic table, ionization energy is usually expressed in unit of kilojoules per mole. Electron affinity. The electron affinity of an element is the energy given out when an extra electron is added to its neutral gaseous atom. In the case of electron affinity, through it increases across a period. There are dips at certain points. The electron affinities of the third period in the periodic tables are as shown. Electron affinity is expressed in the unit of kilojoule per mole. On moving from left to right in a period, the size of atoms decreases, due to which the attraction of nucleus for the incoming electron increases. More energy is thus given out on adding an extra electron to the atom. Characteristics of groups. Some important properties of elements like the number of valence electrons, valency, size of atoms, metallic character, chemical reactivity, gradation in physical properties, ionization energy, and electron affinity show a gradual change in each group. Valence electrons or outermost electrons. All the elements of group of the periodic table have same number of valence electrons. For example, all the elements of group first of the periodic table have one valence electron, each in their atoms. In the given table, lithium, sodium, potassium. The atoms of group first elements like lithium, sodium and potassium can form positive ions like lithium ion, sodium ion and potassium ion. By losing their one valence electron, thus group first elements are called monovalent, because it having a one valence electrons in its outermost shell and are ionic in their chemical reactions. All the elements of group first except hydrogen are alkali metals. All the elements of group second of the periodic table have two valence electrons in each their atoms. The atoms of group second elements beryllium, magnesium and calcium can form positive ions beryllium, magnesium and calcium by losing their two valence electron. Thus the group second elements are called divalent, having a valency 2 and are ionic in their chemical reactions. In the given table, beryllium, magnesium which are present in the second group in the periodic table. So the fundamental difference between the electronic configuration of group first and group second is group first elements have one valence electron in their atoms, whereas group 2 or group second elements have two valence electrons in their atoms. Group 13 elements have 3 valence electrons each. Group 14 elements have a 4, group 15 elements have a 5 and group 16 elements have a 6 valence electrons each in their atoms. The halogen elements of group 17 like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine have 7 valence electrons each in their outermost shell. So, group 17 elements accept one electron easily to complete their octet and form negative ions like fluoride ion, chloride ion, bromide ion and iodide ion. having one unit of negative charge. So they are monovalent and form negatively charged ions. They are electronegative ions because they gain the electrons from another atoms and acquire the negative charge. All the elements of a group 18 have 8 valence electrons each in their atoms except helium, which has 2 valence electrons in its atom. The outermost shell of the atoms of a group 18 elements are already completely filled with electrons. These elements have no tendency to lose or gain electrons, so they have zero valency and are unreactive. The group 17 elements in which there is a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, these are the elements which are unreactive, or it is also called as inert gas element. The element in a group do not have consecutive atomic numbers. The group number of element have up to 2 valence electron is equal to the number of valence electron, and group number of elements having more than 2 valence electron is equal to the number of valence electron plus 10. For example, if the number of valence electron is 1, then group number is 1. If the number of valence electron is 3, then the group number is 3. Plus 10 is equal to 30. From the valence electron, we can identify the elements which are placed in which particular group. Since the number of valence electron in the group is same, all the elements in the group have a same valency. The main group of the periodic table and the valencies of their elements. Size of atoms. On going down in the group in the periodic table, the size of atom increases, as you see in the periodic table. For example, in group first, the size of atoms increases gradually from lithium to francium. In a group, the smallest atomic size will be found at the top of the group, whereas the largest atomic size will be at the lowest part of the group. When we go down a group, a new shells of electron is added to the atoms at each step, and this is why the atomic size increases gradually from top to bottom in the group. As you see in the group, from top to bottom, shell is added up into each element. In group 17 of halogens, the size of atoms increases gradually from fluoride to iodide. Metallic characters. On going down in the group, the periodic table, the metallic characters of elements increases. When we move down in the group first, the metallic character increases from lithium to francium. Lithium is the least electropositive elements, whereas francium is most electropositive element in the group first. This is because as we go down in the group, one or more electron shells are added at each stage, and the valence electrons become more and more away from the nucleus, and the hold on a valence electrons by the nucleus decreases, so it can lose valence electrons more easily. That's why electropositivity of that elements are increases, and hence that elements are become metals, and also the metallic characters are also increases. Chemical reactivity. The chemical reactivity of nonmetals decreases on going down in the group of the periodic table. In a group 17 of halogens, the electronegative characters decreases gradually from fluorine to iodine. Thus, out of fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, fluorine is the most electronegative element and iodine is least. The chemical reactivity of metal increases on going down the group of the periodic table. In the group first, alkali metals, the chemical reactivity increases from lithium to francium. When we go down in the group of the metal element, the size of their atoms increases. Thus, the valence electrons of the metal atom gets far away from the nucleus and hence can be removed easily. So, tendency of their atoms to lose electrons increases and thus chemical reactivity increases. Gradation in physical properties. In melting point and boiling points of metals decreases on going down in a group of periodic table. As you go from up to down in the group of the periodic table, melting point and boiling points are decreases. In a group first of alkali metals, the melting point and boiling point of the group first is decreases. The melting point and boiling point of group 17 of nonmetals increases gradually on going down in the group. Ionization energy. The ionization energy of elements decreases on going down in the group of periodic table. Ionization energy is the minimum energy required to remove an electron from valence shell of a free gaseous atom of that element to form positive ion. The ionization energy of group first element decreases gradually from lithium to cesium. It can be explained as on going down in the group, the size of atoms increases and outermost electron becomes more and more away from the nucleus. Due to this, the attraction between the nucleus and electrons decreases and hence less energy is required to remove an electron from the atoms. As you go down the group in the first group of periodic table, electrons are far away from the nucleus. That's why it requires less energy to remove the electron from the outermost shell. That's why ionization energy is decreases. Electron affinity. The electron affinity of element decreases on going down the group of the periodic table. Electron affinity is the energy change when electrons is gained by the neutral gaseous atom, converting it into negatively charged ion. The electron affinity of element decreases on going down the group of the periodic table. The electron's affinity of the group 17 elements decreases from the chlorine to iodine on going down in the group. Fluorine element is the exception in this group since it has a slightly lower electron affinity than chlorine. On going down in the group of the periodic table, the size of atoms increases and hence less energy is released on adding an extra electron to the atom. This is the